I have a proposed dual occupancy approved. I've taken away the private details. Here's the set of drawings as per the DA approval. Just some snapshots for you to get a visual. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload these documents into ChatGPT to get about a preliminary estimate costing how much for me to do this development. I've uploaded the document and then I've asked ChatGPT, can you please review these drawings and give me a preliminary estimate for possible development? Work on $5,000 per square metre. So it's within seconds, it works out the unit for the subdivision, the combined total area. It works on a preliminary estimate at 5,000 per square metre and it works out about 1.6. And I think that's reasonably accurate, and that is complete in seconds. Wowzers.